Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to sign out from YouTube app on Android. Okay, so if I open my YouTube app on my Android smartphone and if I tap on this, my profile picture at the top right, and here we have my name. If I tap on this, and here we have the pop-up. Okay, and here we have the my channel, manage accounts, and learn more about account options. We don't have any sign out or log out link over here. So how we can sign out from YouTube app on Android? Okay, so what you need to do, let me go back. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to go to the settings of your phone. Okay, so just find the settings. So here I have my settings. Let me tap on it to open it. It's now opened. And guys, you need to tap on this apps and notifications. You might have only apps depending on the device, or if you have Redmi phones you will see installed apps. Okay, so you need to go into that. So I have apps and notification. Let me tap on it to open it. Okay, and here we have the see all your installed apps. I have 71 apps. You might have less or more. So just tap on this in order to see all of your installed apps. Okay, and guys, here you need to find the YouTube app. So let me find my YouTube app over here. Okay guys, so here I have my YouTube app. Let me tap on it to open it. Okay, so after opening you need to tap on this storage. Just tap on that, and here we have the clear storage. You need to tap on this clear storage, and here we have the pop-up delete app data. All these apps data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts, databases, etc. Okay, so just tap on this OK link on the pop-up, and you can see user data, we have the 0 bytes and cache also 0 bytes. Okay, and after that you need to go to your YouTube app. So just go to your phone and just open your YouTube app. So it's opening. Okay guys, so it's opened, and here we have our profile picture at the top right. So just tap on that, your profile picture, and just tap on your name over here. Okay, so I'm tapping on that, and you can see guys, here we have the sign out link. Okay, so you need to tap on this in order to sign out from your YouTube app. So I am tapping on this sign out link. Okay guys, so we are now signed out. Okay, and if I tap on this profile icon at the top right in YouTube app, you can see we now have this sign in button again. Okay guys, so in this way you can easily sign out from YouTube app on Android. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.